Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by installing and configuring Seaborn inside Jupyter. Run pip install Seaborn in your notebook or environment and restart the Jupyter kernel after installation. Enable inline plotting with %matplotlib inline so charts appear in cells. Then import libraries with import Seaborn as SNS and import Matplotlib. Pplot as PLT. Set a clean theme using SNS. Set theme and define a default figure size with PLT. Figure fig size equals 86, DPI equals 100. Confirm your Seaborn version is 0. 11 or later for modern functions. Next, load and prepare your data before plotting. Use pandas read CSV or use SNS. Load dataset for example SNS. Load dataset tips to get sample data. Inspect the dataset with df, head, df, info, and df, describe, so you understand columns and types. Clean the data by dropping NA-N rows or filling missing values and convert columns to proper types like datatime or float. Create simple derived columns as needed and limit rows for quick rendering, for example df. Sample 1000 or df. Head 500. Finally, create and customize your Seaborn plots directly in Jupyter cells. Call SNS. Scatterplot SNS. Histplot SNS. Lineplot or SNS. Boxplot with data equals df and specify x and y arguments. Use palette, hue, size, and line width to encode additional variables and improve readability. Add axis labels and a title with PLT. X label, PLT. Illabel and PLT. Title to provide context. Use PLT, tight layout, to adjust spacing, then save the figure with PLT. Savefig figure. PNG DPI equals 300, bbox inches equals tight before or after PLT. Show close figures with PLT. Close when done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.